Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Universal, where we've done basically about everything there is to do about the holidays here, except one thing.
The experience, check it out. Got my Christmas tree up. Is this tall enough?
We are coming in today at the Hollywood Drive-In Golf. Their basically premier mini golfing course right here at City Walk in Orlando. This is something that, as long as I've been coming to Universal, I've always seen, but have never done. It's been a long time since I've gone mini golfing, so we'll see how good I am. We're heading out west to the beautiful island of Hawaii, to the one and only Kualoa Ranch, for our very own tour to see where the original Jurassic Park film and its sequels were made for our enjoyment. So hold on to your butts for this very special episode of ParkTwister. If you are watching this, I'm sitting here at the Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport getting ready to go on the trip of a lifetime. We are heading to Japan. We are going to Tokyo Disney Sea for the very first time. A park that I've wanted to come to all my life, and we have finally made it. Why can't we have this in the US? That ride was spectacular. We have made it to Tokyo Disneyland. It's just weird walking in and being under a roof. That part really threw me for a loop.
It actually has no flavor. It's really anticlimactic. It's pretty bad popcorn.
It's popcorn.
No, it has like no salt even on it.
Yeah.
I tried it, I was like, oh.
Oh yeah, first popcorn attempt, a dud. At least here in Tomorrowland. I think Disney Sea had far better tasting popcorn. Welcome to opening night of the Stella Nova Resort at Epic Universe.
It's because I look like Hagrid, isn't it?
We're here not to stay, the Terra Luna Resort, the second hotel to open. Guys, we did it. The portals are open. You can see everyone rushing into Burke. First ride of the day, and it's Stardust Racer, the complete walk-on. Filming for the news. We're going to be going around Epic Universe discussing some of the iconic character meet and greets. Welcome back to Epic! What to do when it storms on your vacation, and when better to do that than on a hot summer July afternoon here at the park. They are celebrating their first official holiday. Guys, I love this place. Just want to come and relax. I don't even have to ride any rides to enjoy it. The park all decked out for Christmas. Nintendo, Mario, Luigi, they're popular. Let's bring them to City Walk. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are actually coming to you out at the Helios Grand Hotel, and we're gonna go and explore that hotel because, believe it or not, we have actually never been to the Grand Helios to see all that it has to offer. Good morning, everyone, from Universal Epic Universe. We have returned for more Epic updates.
What is up, guys? This is the ParkTwister channel.
We are at Universal Studios Hollywood. Today is the final day of Muppet Vision 3D here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Pizza Rizzo, one of the best quick service dining locations. Halloween season is in full swing. The park all decked out for Halloween Horror Nights. This will be the last official Horror Night update video here on the channel before the big night. We're back for night 2 of Halloween Horror Nights. We are here today checking out the Unmasking the Horror tour.
It really made me appreciate the houses a lot more now, knowing like every single detail and getting to see it up close with the lights on. It was insane.
We're here for our 2-night stay at the Lois Portofino Bay Resort. The day has finally come. We can kiss this coaster goodbye. Let's celebrate its legacy here at the park. You ever wonder what happens to Universal's extinct attractions once they close down and are getting replaced by bigger and better things? What happens to the props and items found within these attractions? Good morning, everyone, from the Orange County Convention Center once again for another year. The holidays are back at Universal Orlando, and when better to celebrate it than right here on a gorgeous afternoon day. We're going to be talking about some fun facts, Easter eggs, references, you name it, that we can find from around the resort.